What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Pepe fam. I am back with another video for you guys. Been a minute since I covered a Pepe, made a Pepe video on the channel 4 days ago, man. Pepe fam, thank y'all so much for tuning in the previous videos. We're gonna send Pepe, man. 1 cent Pepe, $1 Pepe. You just never know how crazy things could get in the bull cycle, man. But in my opinion, like I've said before, you have to have exposure to Pepe. You really just have to. It is gonna be one of the biggest meme coins to me going into the next bull market, right? It's gonna go right up there with Doge and Shiba, man. It's gonna crush it. It may even surpass, you know, Shiba and Doge as far as, like, you know, pumps to the upside, because it's a new project. So that means it has a lot more price discovery. It doesn't have as much underwater bag holders, and it's never seen a bull market. Projects that's never seen a bull market tend to perform better than projects that's already have seen a bull market, guys. So Pepe fam, if you're tuning in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Pepe's gonna take over, man. Also, to support the channel further, if you guys want to support any further, please become a channel member or a Patreon supporter. Link to that is in the description, man. First link in the description. Pepe right now sitting at $487 million in market cap. Nice. Right now, actually, in my opinion, nice bit of a correction. It's probably following Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is a bit bearish right now. $105 million in volume right now, up 54%. That's insane stuff to see, though. Okay, that's crazy to see. And let's compare it to Bitcoin. It's probably just following Bitcoin. Yep, that's exactly what it's doing on the 1 month. Just following what Bitcoin is doing. But yeah, so right now would be a nice DCA opportunity in the Pepe. If you were gonna get a bag, getting it under $500 million in market cap would be a nice time to buy, man. You know, there will be some nice gains to come from Pepe for sure. I think 100x, maybe 150x, maybe 200x is in the works for Pepe, guys. So whatever you have invested, just times that by 100 to 200. I think Pepe is gonna be around, man, because there's no meme that's, as far as I think Pepe is gonna be around for the long term. And when retail finally gets into the space, because right now, if you take a look at the overall market cap, there's no new money in the space. When Pepe ran to 1.8 billion in market cap, it was because of a ton of old money in the space just rotating hands. That's why a lot of altcoins started to dump when Pepe was on its run, because a lot of people were selling out of their other projects to buy Pepe, right? That's exactly what happened. But when new retail starts to get into the space, I think a ton of them will buy Pepe because of just subconsciously how huge the meme is, right? Doge and Shiba aren't really, you know, necessarily memes that people are aware of, right? Whereas Pepe is a meme that everyone knows. Everyone has seen this project, this frog before, right? You know, whether it's stocks, investing, whether it's social media, whether it's entertainment, normie content, you've seen the Pepe frog. And that is why, in my opinion, it's gonna be the biggest retail bought project. Not institutional investors, like people that like technology. I'm talking about the full-on degens who think they could toss you know, $50 at something, $20, and become a millionaire, right? Not saying you can't if you're early enough, but you know, it's kind of late for that, for Pepe to make $1 million off Pepe like that. And like I said, you can't make 100x, so 6 figures for Pepe from here is highly possible in the bull run. $1,000 in Pepe right now could potentially go to 100,000, and I'm not even like joking about that. That's gonna be like $50 billion in market cap. Shiba Inu did it last cycle, and I think that's what Pepe is gonna do this cycle, right? I would like the 100 mil market cap entry. I'll be real with you. I would like it to drop down to 100 mil market cap, you know, but I don't think that's gonna happen. But days like this is when, you know, you DCA, you add to your bag of Pepe, man. But yeah, guys, I really do believe Pepe is going to absolutely send because of retail. retail investors are gonna buy this like no tomorrow. And then you're gonna see the TikToks, then you're gonna see on social media all the TikToks about Pepe, all the YouTube videos, you know, Jimmy from down the street saying, yo, did you get any Pepe, you know, SNL TV series, like CNN, MSNBC talking about Pepe. It's just like, you see how Doge had like everyone talking about it. Like before, when I used to make, because I did YouTube before, when I used to make anime content, that channel was doing very well, but I fell in love with crypto, right? And I love the decentralization and the, you know, being able to control your money, especially after I realized what was going on with the World Economic Forum and CBDCs. I was like, okay, let me learn all of this stuff about crypto now before I, you know, I'm walking around like a headless chicken when, you know, they start to implement you will owe nothing and be happy, right? That's just great, you know, conspiracy theory, great reset type of talk, Alex Jones type of talk. But that's beside the point, right? The point I'm trying to make is, I remember even people who are normies, like, you know, because you know, anime content is more like kids content, even they were saying Doge to the moon, right? You know, and mostly when you speak to people, they say, oh, crypto is a scam, etc., etc. But with enough like awareness and hype and, you know, people making money and the story just spreading, I wouldn't be surprised everyone, even like outside of crypto, normies, people that watch, you know, give me something like, you know, people that watch the Kardashians, people that watch, you know, the Met Gala, right? People that watch The View, right? I wouldn't be surprised people on The View saying Pepe to the moon going into the next bull market. That's the type of awareness I think Pepe is gonna get, and that's how it's gonna go to those crazy market caps, right? That's just speculation on my point, but that's what I saw with Doge, and I think it's gonna happen with Pepe. There's no way for me to check the CMC replies because everybody's shilling other projects, man. Annoying. Pepe reached 420,000 followers on Twitter. People keep sharing other project. Oh, here we go. XD Games. Pepe tested it 5 days ago. Now we retest the 012 region with a lot of resistance. I believe it is given the same opportunity that Shiba gave in previous years. Buy Pepe away. Oh, same opportunity that Shiba gave. Well, let's take a look at Shiba real quick. Because I remember before Shiba went on its huge run up, it had a nice drop back down, like right here. You know, before it went on that huge run up, yeah, even back here, can I zoom into that? Let's see, let's go back in time, yeah, right here, this was May 2021. No, I'm not even talking about right here, back down here. Yeah, had a nice run up and it retraced back down. Yeah, you could count this as well, where it had a nice run up, then it retraced back down, went sideways for a bit, then huge run up again, right? If Pepe comes back down to that 100 mil market cap range, geez, I'm gonna be so happy. I'm gonna be buying a big bag. If it comes back down to 100 mil market cap, I'm taking out a loan to put it into Pepe. Not financial advice. But if it comes back down to 100 mil market cap, I'm taking out a loan, bruh. I am not playing around with that. I don't think it will though, but yeah. So yeah, guys. Now is a great time to DCA into Pepe. 413K followers on Twitter. Become one with the divine Pepe. Captain Pepe. Pepe has almost as much followers as Doge on CoinMarketCap. Jeez, look at that. 115K followers for Doge, Pepe 103K. Now it's just gotta match it in market cap as well too. Frogs over dogs. Plasma, 5 new holders today. There's a risk with CRV, but the Pepe army keeps growing. Awesome stuff. Christine Keller, any Pepe holders here? Here I am. Shout out to everyone that holds Pepe, man. Pepe to 1 cent. I like that name. Pepe is the way. Pepe to 1 cent. Nothing will stop us, Pepe. And that's gonna be the narrative. Can it hit $1? Can it hit a cent? Just like how Shiba in the last cycle, everybody was like, Shiba to $1. I put $100 in Shiba, become a millionaire or billionaire, right? That's gonna be the narrative going into the next cycle, man. I'm telling you guys. I know how retail investors think, and degens and apes think that they could put $100 in something and become a millionaire the next day, because I was one of them. I am guilty as charged, okay? So, I know Pepe 100x, maybe 150x from here. I really think that's gonna happen, man. I really think that's in the cards for Pepe. So yeah guys, Pepe fam, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything else is crashing, but Pepe feels good, man. It's so iconic, like, come on, man. The writing is on the wall that this is gonna be a huge meme, and some exposure to this is gonna make you some cash, man. I know it. We'll see, man. I'm telling you guys. Other people know it as well. Like, they already see the writing on the wall, man. So yeah, man, like the video, blow it up, get it to 10,000 views. Let's go viral, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It's free. And if you want to support the channel further, become a channel member or a Patreon. First link in the description for that, guys. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next one.